Hello students, a very good morning to all the students. So students, we have already started our chapter 3, that is fiber to fabric. And in our last class we have seen that there are different type of fibers. Basically the natural fibers, synthetic fiber and mixed fibers. Further, natural fibers are divided into plant fibers and animal fiber. So students, we have also studied about the natural fibers and also seen the advantage of natural fabrics and disadvantage of natural fabrics. So today we are going to start the second type, that is human made or synthetic fibers. So students, by the name only you can understand it very well. Human made means made by human. Okay students, so you see the fibers that are made by humans from different chemicals, that means by using different kind of chemicals in the industries, are called human made or synthetic fibers. So students, here it is said that the fibers that are made by the human from different chemicals, that means using different kind of chemicals in the industries, are known as human made fibers. Okay students, so here you see some of the common synthetic fibers are nylon, polyester and acrylic. So students, these are the common example of synthetic fibers. The synthetic fibers are mostly obtained from petroleum. So students, this is very important, you have to remember this. So synthetic fibers are obtained from petroleum. The fabric made from synthetic fiber is called synthetic fabric. So students, now what is synthetic fabric? The fabric that is made from the synthetic fibers is known as synthetic fabric. So the advantage of synthetic fabrics are, number one, you see, synthetic clothes are more durable and easy to maintain. So students, this means that the synthetic clothes are lasting for a longer period of time. Okay, durable means they are lasting more, and easy to maintain, that means they are very easy to maintain. They do not absorb much water, dry up fast and are wrinkle free. So students, they do not absorb much water, okay, they absorb very less amount of water. Dry up fast, that means this kind of fabric will dry up very fast, and they are wrinkle free, that means you don't need to iron it for time to time, okay, because they are wrinkle free. Third is the synthetic clothes are not attacked by moths and mold. This kind of clothes are not attacked by the larvae, the moths and the molds. Okay students, that means they are not attacked by different kind of insects. So there are different disadvantages of synthetic fabrics. They do not allow the air to pass through them and hence are not good for summer. So students, we all know that during summer season we all feel very hot. So in this kind of season we want to wear such clothes that help to pass the air. So in case of synthetic fabric, they do not allow the air to pass. As they do not allow the air to pass through them, so they are not good for us during summer. So this is a very important disadvantage of synthetic fabric. So number 2, you see, they do not absorb sweat. So students, this kind of fabric, they do not absorb sweat, okay, so they are not good for our health. That means if the cloth absorb more amount of sweat, then that type of clothes are more comfortable for us than the clothes that do not absorb sweat. Third is they easily catch fire. So students, this is very danger kind of thing, that a cloth catching fire. Okay students, so this is also a disadvantage because they can easily catch fire. So last one is they are non biodegradable. So students, they cannot be renewed. Okay, that means once you use it you cannot renew it. They are non biodegradable. Okay, they cannot be degraded. So students, do you know the chemical used in the manufacturing of synthetic fabric find their way in water bodies and pollute them, so they are harmful for the environment. So students, here it is said that for the manufacturing of synthetic fabric or synthetic fibers, certain chemicals are used by the industries. So this kind of chemical, they directly go to the water bodies and then they pollute the water. So students, they are harmful for the environment. Okay students. So thank you. I hope it is clear to you. If not, then you can ask me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.